Hi and welcome to the WP Optimizer demo video. Before I show you how it all works, there are 3 reasons why we built this plugin. Firstly, Google is rolling out a massive update in July 2018, which means if your sites are slow on mobile, you will lose rankings. This currently affects over 52% of all traffic, and that figure is rising. Secondly, WP Optimizer beats all of the competitor products in terms of optimization capacity as it addressed all of the main speed issues handled. And thirdly, this is a massive business opportunity for you to speed up your clients' websites and earn a recurring income in advance of the Google slap. Better still, you will see that our optimizer has diagnostic tools built in, which will show your prospective clients' site problems, and you just can't get a better door opener than that. Okay, so let's jump straight into the demo of WP Optimizer so you can see how it all works. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is an actual client we have, vanillalondon.co.uk. We haven't run any optimizations on this site at all because I wanted to do it live. So what I'm going to do first is a quick speed test on this website. It's vanillalondon.co.uk, and let's just click Start Test. So let's just wait for that to finish. And as you will see here, the page size is 5.4 megabytes and the load time is 7.91 seconds. So that's just under 8 seconds to load this website. And as you can see here, it's only 17% faster than all sites tested, which is a pretty bad number. Okay, so let's just jump straight into it. Let's go into the client's dashboard. Let's first optimize the database by deleting old post revisions. Delete the autosaves, delete the spammy comments, and delete orphan data. And before we run the bulk image optimization, let's run a site health check. As you will see, this section is designed to give you an accurate overview of how good or bad your site environment is. It tests your software setup, server status, and connectivity, and gives you recommendations of what action to take. And the Site Profiler section will create a profile of your WordPress site's plugins and theme performance by measuring their impact on your site's load time. Sometimes your site will load slowly because of slow plugins or you have too much of them. Let's go over to the lazy load images and enable that first and click Save Changes. The next thing we'll want to do is a bulk optimize of all the images. Please note that the API key allows you to optimize up to 500 images per month. Now, this can take a few minutes to complete depending on how many images you have. So I'll just pause the video now and I'll resume the video once it's done. Okay, great. Now that all of the images are optimized, you'll notice that we have a saving of 48.5%. We started off with 299 megabytes worth of images and we optimized it down to just 153 megabytes. Okay, so now let's go ahead and run the speed test for this website again. Let's put the domain name in here and click Start Test. So as you can see, the website is now 78% faster than all websites tested on Pingdom. The original test was only 17%, so this is a really big improvement. We started off with a 7.91 second load time, so just under 8 seconds down to just 1.61 seconds. The page size went from 5.1 megabytes to just 3.1 megabytes, so that's a very nice improvement. Now, it didn't just work for this client. We've actually tested WP Optimizer on quite a few websites with some amazing results. Let's just go ahead and show you. One of the websites we tested it on was Crowley.link. The original speed test came to 5.57 seconds and the page size was 6.2 megabytes. And as you can see with all the images optimized, they got 56.5% in savings. And after we did that, his new speed test came up 72% faster than all websites tested. So from 5.57 seconds down to just 1.89 seconds. Another test we did was for Boulder Equity Partners. The original test came to 4.85 seconds and WP Optimizer got it down to just 1.71 seconds, which is a very nice improvement. And here's another website we tested it on, Simple Gourmet Cooking. The original load time for this website was 5.13 seconds This website had a lot of large images, and WP Optimizer produced a 76.9% saving. So from 314 megabytes of images down to just 72.6 megabytes without losing any image quality at all. After that was completed, we did another test and we got the load speed down to 2.62 seconds. So from 5.13 seconds down to 2.62 seconds, which made it 59% faster than all websites tested on Pingdom. And finally, here's another website we tested. When we first made the test, it loaded in 6.83 seconds. And after applying WP Optimizer, it now has a saving of 56.3%. So this website's load time went from 6.83 seconds down to just 1.92 seconds, which makes it faster than 72% of all websites tested on Pingdom. So as you can see, WP Optimizer is incredibly effective at making your sites a lot faster, which means higher rankings, better conversions, more profit, and lower ad spend.